quickly. The kitten was almost dying, barely alive. But, just then, a kind-hearted person appeared and without hesitation took it away for treatment. It was taken to the hospital, where it was treated and cared for professionally, and slowly regained its health. You can hardly see the once weak and feeble appearance. It started to come alive and became stronger and stronger. Today, this kitten is healthy and enjoying its new life. There is nothing more gratifying than to see it become so happy. However, as heartwarming as this story is, but still, not even 1 million people liked this video. This story of a rescued life perhaps deserves more attention.